Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a WordPress backup plugin named as Updraft. Like Updraft is one of the famous and popular backup plugin when it's come to security and your regular backups, right? So let me show you the sales page of this particular plugin because Updraft also has a free version. We will try to compare the free version and the as well as the premium version so you get a rough idea of what exactly I am talking about. So if you come to the Updraft official website and hover to the features section, you will be able to see the full feature what they are offering. Right, you see the scheduling time, you see the Updraft vault storage and remote storage. Everything is available when it comes to Updraft. So we'll try to download this theme and upload it on our website. Come here and click on download now. This is the premium plugin because free plugin is already uploaded on our website. So while it is downloaded, okay, it has been downloaded on our system. And now come back to our website. Here is the website. It's pretty advising a theme uploaded on this particular website. So log into a dashboard. If you don't know how to log in, just click WP admin just after your URL and you will be asked your user ID password which you have entered while you were installing your WordPress website in your hosting. So once you're logged in, I don't know why it is taking that much of time. Okay. Okay, once you're logged into your backend or the dashboard, we have to add a new plugin. So click on add new. We will add Updraft and see what are the features provided by on the free theme as well as the premium theme. Updraft. Okay. Click on activate. I have already installed it. I just need to click on activate. Okay. Updraft. Okay, plugin has been successfully added. Let's see how we can change the settings of it. Click here on the setting icon and you will see Updraft backup. Come here and let's see what are the features these guys provide us. So as you can see, there is a premium version also, premium extension, Updraft premium. You can always get it, and there are a lot of features which are on the premium section only, like a migration and cloning is available on premium function, a premium feature only, fast personal support, and pre-update backups, network multi-sites. Everything is available on premium version of Updraft. Okay, let me show you. If you want to migrate or clone the website, you just need to have the premium version. And if you come to the settings and if you want to upload your clone on a cloud storage, you need to have a premium version of this particular theme plugin, right? So we will try to upload the premium plugin. Click on add new and upload. Click on upload button, select the file where it is located. It's located right here and I will try to install the file. Installation process totally depend upon your internet speed. Let's see, it will take like couple of seconds to install. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, to install the okay, if I'm not wrong, to install the premium plugin, you need to delete this plugin first. Then you have to activate that plugin. Okay, I'll just delete it and upload that plugin. Click on add new, upload, and select the file and upload this plugin and install it. So as you can see, it has been uploaded successfully. Let's activate it and let's see what are the setting what we can do there. Okay, so come to the Updraft backup. So as you can see, if you click on the premium section, you will see it will ask you to connect to your Updraft account. Right now I don't want to connect it. Let's see what are the functionalities which we get on premium plugin. If you can see, everything has been unlocked here. If you want to store your files on like Dropbox, you can now store it because this functionality has been unlocked, right? And if you want to migrate your website, you can also create a migrate, right? Create a temporary clone on your Updraft account. No, we will not do that. You can always restore and click here. The migrate process will start automatically, right? Or if you want to like create a backup, you can always create here. Click on backup now. It will start taking up the backup the whole website. click on backup. Okay, I will just cancel it because I don't want to create a backup right now. And you can always send your backup to another site. Click on here, and you just have to add the site key, which will you the key you will get from the updraft. The updraft has to be installed on the another site as well, so that it can be migrated from this site to that site. So that was the general settings about Updraft. I hope you really get the point. Like, premium functionalities are way more than free functionalities. So if you want to download this theme, you can always get it for $10 from our website. You will get the same functionalities and feature which you will get from the official website. And if you get any error in the theme, or any kind of plugin is missing from that particular file section, you can always contact us. Or if there issue, if you think that it is nulled, because it is not nulled, it is the GPL version, you can always contact us. Okay, so if you are running a WordPress agency, or you are a freelancer which gets a regular project on a daily basis, you can always check out our membership plan. With the help of membership plan, you will be able to download a lot of items, right? With the help of lifetime plan, you will be able to download almost 5400 items per month, per year, which is a great deal, right? And if you think that this is like quite expensive, you can always get a $29 monthly plan. With the help of this plan, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is a big deal, right? And this website consists of 6000 WordPress plugin and theme, which is nuts because you are getting a lot of benefits in a very affordable price. So with that being said, if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.